You've been told jhana takes years of silent retreats. What if you could taste it in the next 60 seconds, without leaving your chair? Most meditators feel stuck. They sit, they try hard, but the mind never settles. They think they're not good enough. The harder they try, the more frustrated they become. The hidden trap is craving for jhana itself. Wanting a deep state creates tension, agitation, the exact opposite of stillness. You're pushing a rope. The Buddha said, concentration develops by letting go, not by grabbing. So stop trying to get jhana. Instead, let go of wanting anything, even for one breath. That moment of non-wanting is the first taste of seclusion, the doorway to jhana. Try this right now, 60 seconds. Sit still, breathe normally. Every time a want arises, for a thought, a feeling, a result, let it go. Just breathe, wanting nothing. What did you feel? A tiny relief, lightness. That's piti, joy born of seclusion. That's the first factor of jhana. Do this 10 times today, then 20 tomorrow. You're not waiting for jhana anymore. You're growing it, breath by breath, letting go by letting go. Based on SN 48.10 and an 11.2. This is vibhangaSutta Dharma. See you in the next breath.